Hey everybody, so this is my introduction to my blog. My blog can be found at leanandgreen.wordpress.com. And through this course, I'll be doing a series where I recreate a recipe that I've found either on another plant-based blog or in a recipe book. And what I'll be doing is I'll be logging the cost for the recipe, including the ingredient breakdown in Canadian dollars, because I think that's important for any Canadian viewers. I personally find it difficult to find some of these ingredients in general in Canada, as well as pricing them in Canadian dollars is quite different than the US or the UK. So I do already have my first two posts up. My first post is just a general introduction to my blog and what I'll be doing. I do have the course linked here as well, just in case anyone reading is interested in checking it out. My second post is my first recipe recreation, and I've chosen to recreate one of my favorite plant-based blogs, hazelnut milk recipes. I had a lot of fun shooting this, and I hope that you check this out. And going back to the home page, I have a Twitter widget set up for my Leen and Green Twitter, as well as an Instagram widget set up for my Leen and Green Instagram. I post quite frequently on my Instagram, especially the end product of the recipes that I'll be recreating. So feel free to follow me on there as well. And I also have a easy follow my blog via email button here and a search function here for when I have some more posts up so that anyone visiting my blog can find it quite easily. Also, all of the photos that I'll be posting on my blog, unless otherwise specified, will be my own, so that's great. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing what everyone else puts out there, and thanks for watching, guys.